Hey friends! Welcome back to Quiz Metro, your favorite brain-bending game zone. Get ready to see K-pop Demon Hunters like you've never seen before, in their funniest looks ever. And once the laps are over, it's time for the ultimate K-pop Demon Hunters Quiz Showdown. Do you think you're a true fan? Let's find out. But before we start, make sure to subscribe to Quiz Metro for more interesting challenges. Let's jump in. Abby Saja. Bobby. Rumi. Mira.
I'm so sorry.
Ginu. Romance Saja. Zoe. Mystery Saja. Baby Saja. The wait is over! Time for the ultimate K-pop Demon Hunters challenge! Which one is Zoe's weapon? Great job! That's Zoe's weapon! Their main power source is absolutely music. Would you rather Mira's glaive, Rumi's sword, or Zoe's knives? Which weapon is your favorite? Tell me in the comment box. Do you know what is the name of this beast? It's Derpy. Very cute, right? Baby Saja mostly represents which side of the group? He represents the innocent side. Rumi is half demon. It's true or false? That's the true statement. Can you guess the K-pop character by these two emoji? Yup, that's Guima. Zoe is from Burbank. Huntrix members fight best when they perform. Answer is together. Only smart eyes can find the odd emoji. You got it! Friend, guess the upside down word. Nailed it! That's Celine. They are famous as idols. you remember what actually this medicine is? It's grape juice. Celine is also a demon. Nah, this is false. Think you're smart? Find the 3 differences. Time up, friends! Bobby knows the real identity of Huntrix. Nah, he doesn't. Would you rather derpy or sussy? Which animal does you like more? What is the name of the introductory song of Saja Boys? The song name is Soda Pop. Keep these characters' positions in mind. Do you remember where Zoe is? Find her! That's right! Nice work! This is last round. Which character's body is this? This is none other than Abby Saja. And that's the end of the ultimate K-pop Demon Hunters Quiz Showdown. How many answers did you get right? If you enjoyed the fun and the challenge, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome quizzes.